So we are driving out to Drift Creek Falls. It's located along the Oregon coast. It's about 2 hours from Portland, and just right outside of Lincoln City. We're about 45 minutes away on this semi-sunny Saturday. So one of the resources that SeAnne and I use to scope out different places to go visit on the weekends, to take photos and video, is by using Instagram. So Instagram's a great source just to scope out different spots, check out pictures, and get a better idea of the place that you're going to go check out before you actually go check it out. So it saves a lot of time and energy. I'm going to get both hands back on the steering wheel, and we will continue this at Drift Creek Falls.